How to use WhatsApp in laptop or PC. How to use WhatsApp in laptop or PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you use your WhatsApp on your computer. Follow along with me to understand better. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser and in the search bar, navigate to WhatsApp web. Now click on its official website. Here you need to scan the QR code for the access. To do this, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three-dot icon at the top right. Select linked devices. Then tap on a linked device. Bring your phone close to the computer screen and scan the QR code. And it's done. Now your WhatsApp is linked to your computer as well and you can start using it. Here are some of the chats from the WhatsApp. Now I can also start chatting from my computer screen. This is how you can use WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.